Here's what we've been building.
Hi, I'm Helena, a solutions consultant here at Pave.
Hi, I'm Chloe, and I'm an engineer at Pave.
Hi, I'm Mike, an engineering manager here at Pave.
At Pave, we believe every compensation decision deserves better intelligence.
Market data is where it starts. Good compensation decisions require good market intelligence. And that means benchmarking yourself against the right companies, not just a generic industry average.
That's what our new peer groups feature does. You define your own competitive set, and your benchmarks reflect only data from the companies you've chosen.
We've expanded calculated benchmarks, powered by our machine learning model to provide you with data for hard-to-find jobs or locations, even where raw data is sparse. So you're never left guessing just because your search gets specific.
Plus, you can now view data on base versus variable mix, as well as bonus eligibility. And to make it easier to find the data that you need, we've enabled multi-select functionality on key filters and added charts so that you can see trends at a glance.
Overall, the goal is simple. When you need to understand the market, you should never have to choose between relevance and coverage. Market pricing is where your comp structure lives, your job architecture, your bands, your benchmarks, and the rationale behind every decision.
The latest updates bring customers a new version of market pricing that's designed for enterprise scale. Need to upload 30,000 bands? You can now do it in under a minute.
The new auto-smoothing feature eliminates the days of needing to review every single benchmark. The reality is, sometimes the data has a clear pattern to it, and auto-smoothing uses AI and statistics to automate review completely, freeing you to focus on the places where your judgment is actually required.
Lastly, a new benchmarking side panel lets you view and fine-tune survey data at the individual job level, so you have the precision you need without losing the bigger picture.
The bottom line, you no longer need to sacrifice quality to get full coverage for your jobs.
And in compensation planning, 2 new features are actually reshaping how you work through a cycle.
Smart flags and priority sort change where the review starts. Instead of scanning every row in your worksheet looking for problems, the platform automatically identifies which employees need attention based on signals your team configures, and then surfaces them at the top of your worksheet with a plain language explanation of why.
Compensation cliffs, pay equity outliers, compression cases, whatever matters to your org surfaced in real time.
And admins can build and configure their own custom recommendation logic directly in the product, and preview it with cycle data before anything goes live.
In Total Rewards, we launched Value at Vest, a feature that's especially helpful for public companies.
You can now show employees the value of their vested equity using the actual share price at the time it vested, giving them a more accurate picture of what the compensation has actually been worth.
We also launched our CompAgent, an AI analyst that automates the analytical work that used to eat up most of your team's day, so you can focus on strategy instead of mechanics.
That's compensation intelligence, built for every decision that matters.
We'll see you next time.